Welcome viewer. In this video, we will discuss mobile computing architecture. Mobile computing architecture refers to the definition of multiple layers between user application interfaces, devices, and network hardware. A well-defined architecture is necessary for systematic calculations and access to data and software objects. Mobile computing usually implies wireless transmission, but wireless transmission does not imply mobile computing. Mobile computing follows some of the attributes. Attributes of mobile computing: three-tier architecture of mobile computing. A three-tier architecture is an application program that is organized into three major parts: Layer 1 presentation layer UI, Layer 2 application layer, Layer 3 data access layer. 1 presentation layer UI. Layer presents data to the user and optionally permits data manipulation and data entry. Also, this layer requests the data from business layer. All this layer accomplished through use of dynamic HTML and client-side data sources and data curses. To application layer all. The business logic. Access the server for client requests from workstations attacks. According business rules, fetch or insert data through the data layer. Internet determines what data is needed and where it is located and acts as a client in relation to 1/3 year of programming that might be located on a local or mainframe computer. Because these middle-tier components are not tied to a specific client, they can be used by all applications and can be moved to different locations as response time and other rules require 3 data access layer. All the sort of the 3-tier system is made up of the DBMS that provides all the data for the above 2 layers. This is the actual DBMS access layer. Avoiding dependencies on the storage mechanisms allows for updates or changes without the application to your clients being affected by or even aware of the change. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate us to bring more such contents on mobile computing technology.